Hello children. Today in Geography Class 9 Lesson 2 Physical Features of India, I'm going to start the Peninsular Plateau Part 1. Here Southern Plateau in India map I'm showing. This is Southern Plateau. You see I'm showing with the cursor. The Peninsular Plateau is a tableland composed of the old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rocks. So here igneous, granite and metamorphic rock, that is gneiss I'm showing, and some other igneous and metamorphic rocks pictures I'm showing here. This plateau is the one of the oldest landmass, and due to volcanic eruption long time back this plateau it was formed, and that is why some igneous rocks which are present in this plateau region, and later on this igneous rock converted to metamorphic rocks. It was formed due to the breaking and drifting of the Gondwanaland, and thus making it a part of the oldest landmass. So this plateau region it was formed due to the breaking of the earlier landmass. It was known Pangaea, and Pangaea it was divided into Laurasia and Gondwanaland, two main divisions, and India belonged to this Gondwanaland, and later on this Gondwanaland it was broken into different parts, and now the present landmass of our peninsular India which is belong to this Gondwanaland, and that is why we can say this is the one of the oldest landmass. I'm showing Pangaea. This is one, it was one continent, oldest continent, a big continent which was divided into Laurasia, northern part, and southern part Gondwanaland, and India that belonged to this Gondwanaland. And you see one Tethys it was there in between Laurasia and Gondwanaland, and this picture belonged to Triassic age 200 million years ago. Now I'm showing Gondwanaland earlier position and present position of Gondwanaland. Our country, there's a blue color part you see this part which is after drifting the present position. The plateau has broad and shallow valleys and rounded hills. This plateau has broader and shallower valleys. So here you see the valleys, these are not so deep, and some rounded hills are also present. So these pictures indicate some rounded hills and the shallow valleys. This plateau consists of two broad divisions, namely the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. So you see the southern part which is divided into mainly two parts. The northern part we can say is Central Highlands, and Deccan Plateau the southern part. Now I'm showing these two broad division. One is Central Highland, one is Deccan Plateau. The northern part it is we can say as Central Highlands, and Deccan Plateau the southern part. This Central Highlands we can divide into Malwa Plateau, Bundelkhand, Baghelkhand and Chotanagpur Plateau. I'm showing the position of Malwa Plateau. It is around here present Malwa Plateau. You see this is Aravali and this is Vindhya range in between this Malwa Plateau. Malwa Plateau, the Vindhyan range is bounded by the Satpura range on the south and the Aravalis on the northwest. Now see Vindhya and Satpura which is in the south and Aravali range in the northwestern side, and in between Malwa Plateau it lies. Here, in this position I'm showing with the cursor. One picture of Vindhya range. This is Satpura range. This Aravali range which is known as oldest mountain range. See, the further westward extension gradually merges with the sandy and rocky desert of Rajasthan. So all of you know Rajasthan, it is in the northwestern side, and our rocky desert, Thar desert, which lies in the northwestern side. And this Malwa Plateau slowly it merges with this rocky desert of Rajasthan. The flow of the rivers draining this region, namely The Chambal, the Seine, and the Betwa and the Ken is from southwest to northeast, thus indicating the slope. So many rivers flowing through this region, but mainly Chambal and Betwa. These are actually main river. This is Chambal and this is Betwa. Have you seen? In Can and Seine is very small river, but passes through this region. Indicates what? The slope from they are flowing from southwest to northeastern direction, because this river joins the main river Ganga, and it shows the slope from southwest to northeast. The slope is from southwest to northeast. I'm showing this is Chambal river, Seine river, Betwa and Ken river. The Central Highlands are wider in the west. You see, this is wider part but narrower in the eastern side. The eastward extensions of this plateau are locally known as the Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand. You see Bundelkhand in the western side, Baghelkhand on the eastern side. So Bundelkhand, the location I'm showing in Madhya Pradesh here, and this is the picture of Bundelkhand, and this is the picture of Baghelkhand. See the Chotanagpur Plateau, which is located in the eastern side, and this is blue color part I'm showing. This is Chotanagpur Plateau. Chotanagpur Plateau marks the further eastward extension drained by the Damodar River. So Damodar River, this one you see in the map, Damodar River. So this plateau region, Chotanagpur Plateau, which is drained by this Damodar River. Deccan Plateau. See, this is Deccan Plateau in the southern side, Deccan Plateau, and this is Central Highland. Deccan Plateau is a triangular landmass that lies to the south of the Narmada River. You see Narmada River, first map, this is Narmada River, and you see the Deccan Plateau, it covers the southern part, which is looking like one triangle shape. The Satpura range flanks its broad base in the north, while the Mahadev, the Kaimur hills, and the Maikal range form its eastern extensions. So actually here this Satpura range, I have already shown this is Satpura range, this is Vindhya range, while the Mahadev range, it is number fourth part, this is fourth one, you see number 4 it is given Mahadev, and Kaimur hills here it is number 5 Kaimur, and the Maikal, that is number 5 is Maikal, and Kaimur range, it is in this map it is not actually visible here. These are the here in this location only Kaimur range is here. So these ranges are found in the eastern side of this Peninsular Plateau region. You see one picture of Mahadev range, Maikal range, Kaimur hills. Next come to Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau is higher in the west and slopes gently eastwards. So what you have seen, this Deccan Plateau already I have told, which is triangular in shape, and it is the height of this plateau, it is in the western side it is more, whereas in the eastern side it is slowly, means it is lower than the western side. An extension of the plateau is also visible in the northeast, locally known as the Meghalaya, Karbi Anglong Plateau and North Kasar Hills. So I am showing the northeastern region where this plateau is visible in this Meghalaya part and Karbi Anglong part of Assam here, and Ansi Hills also. So in Meghalaya, this is Garo, Khasi and Jaintia Hills. 3 pictures I am showing. which belong to Meghalaya Hills, or you can say Meghalaya Plateau. This is Karbi Anglong Plateau, which belong to Assam. North Kasar Hills, which is also belong to Assam. Now, plateau in the northeast is separated by a fault from the Chotanagpur Plateau. So already I have shown Chotanagpur Plateau, which is separated uh, from this northeastern whatever plateau is there by a fault. Now fault, you see, fault means some cracks occur in between two land masses. I'm showing one picture, real picture here. So this is called fault. So that's why it is divided. That means from the main plateau it is far away because of this fault occurred. Maybe because of the drifting, that whatever I have told about the drift theory and all, or maybe the any earthquake or the movement of the plates. Thanks for watching.